Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about Indian geography questions.
First question. Consider the following statements which are related to the Indian islands. First statement. The northern cluster of islands is called the Andamans, a group of 204 small islands, while a southern cluster is known as Nicobar Islands. It's a group of 19 islands. Now second statement, the Lakshadweep comprises a group of 27 coral islands scattered in the Arabian Sea, about 300 kilometers to the west of Kerala coast. Now which of the above statements are correct? And the options are only second statement, second one, neither one nor two, third option, both one and two statements, fourth option, only first statement. Correct answer is option 3. Both 1 and 2 statements are correct. Next. Consider the following statements related to the Godavari River. First statement. It rises in the Nasik district of Maharashtra and discharges its water into the Bay of Bengal. Second statement. The Koyna, the Tungabhadra and Bhima are its major tributaries. Which of the above statements are correct? And the options, neither one nor two, only one, both one and two, only two. Correct answer is option 3. Both one and two statements are correct. Next. Which of the following region receives rainfall by western disturbances? Options are Karnataka coast, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Correct answer is option 2, Punjab. Next. Consider the following statements related to river regimes. First statement. The North Indian rivers originating from the Himalayas are perennial, as they are fed by glaciers through snow melt and also receives rainfall during rainy season. Second statement. The regime of the rivers of South India is controlled by rainfall, which also varies from one part of the peninsular plateau to the other. Which of the above statements are correct? And the options, only first statement, second option, only second statement, third option, both first and second statement, and fourth option is neither one nor two. Correct answer is option 3. Both 1 and 2 statements are correct. Next. Next question. Consider the following statement related to drainage system of India. First statement. Indian drainage system is the outcome of the evolutionary process of 3 major cyclographic units and the nature characteristic of precipitation. Second statement. Himalayan rivers are fed both by melting of snow and precipitation. Rivers of this system is perennial. Which of the following is correct? Options, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2, only 2, only 1. Correct answer is option 1. Both 1 and 2 statements are correct. Next. Consider the following statements related to Peninsular River floating towards the east. First statement. The Sabran the Baitrani, the Brahmani, the Vamsadhara, the Pennar, the Palar and the Vagai are important rivers. Second statement. Rivers flowing towards the east along with their tributaries joins the Bay of Bengal. Which of the above statements are correct? And the options, neither 1 nor 2, both 1 and 2, only 2, only 1. Correct answer is option 4. Only first statement is correct. Next. Consider the following statement which are related to the semi-arid regions of India. First statement. northeastern Madhya Pradesh, second statement, southwestern Andhra Pradesh, and third statement, Saurashtra. Which of the above regions is correct? Options: both 2 and 3, only second statement, both 1 and 2, first, second, and third statement. Correct answer is option 1. Both 2 and 3 statements are correct. Next. Consider the following statement related to the peninsular drainage system. First, peninsular rivers are characterized by fixed course, absence of meanders, and non-perennial flow of water. Second statement, the peninsular drainage system is newer than the Himalayan one. Which of the above statement are correct? Options: both 1 and 2, only 2, neither 1 nor 2, only 1. Answer is option 4. Only first statement is correct. Next. Consider the following statement which are related to the Deccan Plateau. First statement. It is roughly of a triangular shape, extends from the Satpura Hills in the north to the Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of India, ending in the Indian Ocean. Second statement. On the eastern edge of the plateau lie the Sahyadri, the Nilgiri, the Annamalai, and the Cardamom Hills, the Annamalai Hills, and the Cardamom Hills, commonly known as Western Ghats. Which of the above statements are correct? Options: only second statement, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer is option 4. Only first statement is correct. Which of the following is not true about the Ganga-Brahmaputra river system? Options: first one, forms the largest part of the Green Plains of North India. It covers almost 1/4 of the total land area of the country. Next, rivers joining the Ganga on its left side are the Gomti, the Gagra, the Gandak, and the Kosi. Third, the Ganga rises from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas and is joined by the Yamuna and Son rivers on its right bank. Fourth option, Brahmaputra river, a twin Himalayan river. It originates beyond Himalayas in the Tibet. Correct answer is option 4. Brahmaputra rivers is a trans-Himalayan river. It originates beyond Himalayas in the Tibet.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.